Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Freewell Stop VNDXMIST 2-pack. This is the ND filters. These are the ND filters for the Mavic 2 Pro. So as you guys know, Freewell makes amazing ND filters, and they have the new series, which it shows somewhat of a mist and it makes the colors pop up very nicely. In addition, you guys don't get the actual weird colors at the edges, so this is one of the best ND filters I have owned. Now, I initially bought the ND filters for the Mavic Air 2S and the results are amazing. So I will go ahead and do the unboxing for this set of ND filters, which I bought on Amazon. First things first, let's go ahead and take the plastic out. And let's see if I'm able to get okay. All right, so this is what we get in the box. We get the ND filters. I'm gonna take the plastic off. So we get 2 of them, and the stops are from 2 to 5 and from 6 to 9. In addition, we get this little packet right here. And in the packet, we get the Freewell stickers, tutorial, lifetime warranty, and one of my favorite things is the cleaning cloth. Okay. And the cleaning cloth right here. Okay. Here I have one of the best drones ever made. Here's the Mavic 2 Pro. I have the original lens right here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking this thing out, or actually twisting it. I'm gonna twist it and install the new ND filters. I usually use the ND filters at the stops between 4 and 32. So in this case, I would be using the ND filter that has the stops from nothing to 5. So that's the one that I'm gonna be installing. Here we go. This is how it looks. Okay. I'm going to hold the gimbal and twist it towards the left, and the lens come out very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and clean the lens to make sure it doesn't have any dust. And I'm going to install the Freewell just like so, so it actually looks just like that installed. Correction, when you install the ND filter, make sure it looks just like that, facing you. Make sure it's just like so, otherwise it will not fit properly. So it has to be looking just like this, okay? Facing you. Now you twist it towards the right very easily, and this is how it actually looks. Okay, very nicely. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys have any further questions, please comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Have a great day. Thanks.